What's the meaning of classmate? Classmate. Classmate.
Classmate. Classmate. A classmate is someone who shares the same class or course as another person. The term is commonly used in educational settings, such as schools, colleges, and universities. Classmates can either be friends or acquaintances, depending on the level of their relationship. Some people may have many classmates over the course of their academic career, while others may have only a few. Regardless of the number or type of classmates, they are an important part of the overall educational experience, providing opportunities for socialization, collaboration, and support.